So in the previous video, we saw about how to search jobs using Naukri. I understand that is a basic one that most of you know, but however, there are few people who doesn't know about the options. So we have seen about those options in the previous video. So let's get into the next topic. So in the previous video, we learned how to search jobs. So this video, I'm going to teach you how Naukri can search jobs for you so that you can sit and relax. However, you'll be getting the relevant jobs to your inbox so that you can directly apply from there. Right? So let's get into that. So that Naukri calls it as job alert. So what you need to do is you need to go here on the home page, jobs, and next you have to go to create job alert. Right? So once you click on that, you get few columns that you need to fill in. So maximum you can create 5 job alerts, okay? And whatever job alert you create, you will be getting email to your inbox, to your email, to your inbox for whichever ID you are registered in your Naukri, okay? So let's see how we can do this. So let's say I am a Java developer, so I want to set a job alert for Java developer role. So I'll come here and write relevant skills to Java, J2E, HTML, CSS, and Spring, Hibernate, right? So these are the few relevant keywords. So if you don't know like what keywords that you should put for your role, then I have another video which I have posted. Please go and watch on how to find your key skills. That will help you to understand how you can find the key skills for your experience, right? Let's come to the location. So if you're looking for an opportunity in Chennai, then you have to put Chennai here. If you're looking for an opportunity in Pune, you have to put Pune. So whatever location you're looking for an opportunity, you have to put that, right? Even though if you might be in a different location. So let's say I'm looking for an opportunity in Bangalore, so I'm putting Bangalore here. If you want multiple location, yes, you can add that too here, right? You can add just Chennai here. That will give you jobs both in Chennai and Bangalore. Now comes the years of experience. So select whichever how many years of experience you have. Let's say I have 4 years of experience, and I'm putting that. Industry, job category, role. Yes, you can fill all those things as well. But I would say I'm not doing it. But however, if you really want it, then you can do that so that you can get more accurate jobs to the search that you're doing. Right now, you have to name this job alert. Let's name this as Java. Right, and once you click on create job alert here, right, once you click on this, your job alert gets created and you will get email to your email ID whichever you are registered in Naukri every week or every day, so that you can view those jobs and apply directly, right? So that's how you use job alert in Naukri. You can create maximum 5 job alerts. So for various combination of skills you can create so that you get all relevant jobs posted in Naukri to your inbox. So that's how you create a job alert. Let's get into the next topic. The next topic that I'm going to teach you is how to save the jobs posted in Naukri. You may need to save a job because you may need to come back again and see that job, what the job description is, or you want to refer that job to somebody else, right? Or you want that job description, whatever it may be, right? You want to save some job. So let's do a search here. I'm using the recent search that we did. That is Java, Spring, Hibernate stats, and this is for Chennai and Bangalore, 4 years experience. So I'm hitting on search. So I'll get the list of jobs here. There's 2 ways you can do that. You can open this job, right? I'm opening it in a new tab. So this opens here. I can open it here, and if you see below apply, there is the star kind of symbol, right? That's where you need to click to save this job. Okay, and there is another way of doing it. You can directly do it from here also on the search results. That you have a star here. If you click on this star, it will directly get saved to your Naukri profile. so that you can view these jobs later as well, right? So you can open this job and click on save here, or you can directly save from here. Ideally, you should read the job description, understand if that matches to your requirement or not. Based on that, you have to save. So ideally, I will suggest you to open the job and then click on this, right? So let's click on this and see what happens. Now I'll go to my profile. This is my client's profile, not my profile exactly, right? So I'll log in it. Yeah. So how do I search the saved jobs now? Where do I find it? So I have to come here below on the left hand side. You can see here job and applications. In that you can see saved jobs, right? So here is where I can see the saved jobs. Here I have saved Java developer work location Thuraipakam, immediate joiner required. So this is the job that we saved just now. So it reflects here. So if I want to see this job later, I can see from here itself, right? You do not get missed, right? So that's how you save a job in Naukri. Okay. Hope you like this video. Next video we'll talk more about Naukri tools that we have, right? You'll learn more in depth. So please do watch that as well. Thank you.